Then next topics, autism spectrum disorders. What means autism spectrum disorders? Definition for the autism spectrum disorders is a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by persistent deficit in social communication and social interaction, restricted repetitive patterns of behavior, interest or activities. Symptoms begin in early childhood and affects daily functionings. Definition according to DSM-5, autism spectrum disorder is characterized by persistent deficits in social communication and social interaction across multiple settings together with restricted and repetitive behaviors or interest with onset in the early developmental period. Introduction. Autism spectrum disorder is called as the spectrum because symptoms and severity vary from one child to another. Some children have mild difficulties and can live independently with support, while others require lifelong assistance. Autism spectrum disorders is not caused by poor parenting yet, and it is not a mental illness. It is a developmental disorder that affects brain development. Epidemiology, more common in boys than girls, usually recognized by 2 to 3 years of age. Early diagnosis and interventions improves outcomes. Etiology, what are the etiology? The exact cause is unknown, but multiple factors are involved, like genetic factors, strong family history, genetic mutations, chromosomal abnormalities. Neurological factors like abnormal brain development, altered brain connectivity, neurochemical imbalance. Prenatal factors like maternal infection, advanced parental age, exposure to harmful substance during pregnancy, certain pregnancy complications. Environmental factors like these may contribute to some individuals but are not considered the sole cause. Risk factors, family history of ASD, male sex, prematurity, low birth weight, advanced maternal or prenatal age, certain genetic syndromes. Clinical features like a social communication deficits, like a poor eye contact, limited facial expression, difficulty making friends, lack of social reciprocity, difficulty understanding emotions, delay or absent speech in some children. Communication problems like delay language development, repeating words or phrases, difficulty starting or maintaining conversations, literal interpretations of language, abnormal tone of voice. Restricted and repetitive behaviors like repetitive hand flapping, rocking the body, spinning objects, lining up toys, repeating the same activities, instance on routines, distress when routines change. Restricted and repeated behaviors. Restricted interest, intense focus on a specific topics or object, unusual attachment to certain objects. Sensory problems like over or under sensitivity to sound, lights, touch, smell, textures, pain. Diagnosis, what are the diagnosis? Diagnosis is based on developmental history, observation of behavior, DSM-5 diagnostic criteria, speech and language assessment, psychological assessment, hearing evaluation. There is no single blood test or brain scan that diagnoses ASD. Differential diagnosis like differential ASD form, intellectual disability, ADHD, language disorders, hearing impairment, social communication disorders. Management, there is no cure, but early intervention can greatly improve functioning. Behavioral therapy, applied behavior analysis, positive reinforcement, social skill training. Then speech and language therapy, improve communication, develop language skill, teach alternative communication methods when needed. Occupational therapy like improve daily living skills, address sensory processing difficulties, improve fine motor skill. Educational supports like individualized education plan, structured teaching, visual learning strategies. Family counselings like educated parents teach behavior management, provide emotional support, encourage participation in therapy. Medication, there is no medication that cures autism, but medication may help associated symptoms such as irritability, aggressions, hyperactivity, anxiety, sleep disturbance. Medication should be prescribed and monitored by a qualified physician. Nursing management. Assessment assess developmental milestones, social interaction, communication skill, behavioral patterns, sensory sensitivities, family coping, learning abilities. Establish a therapeutic relationship approach calmly, use a gentle tone, give the child time to respond, respect personal space. Improve communication like use simple short sentence, give one instruction at a time, use pictures, gestures and visual schedules, reinforce communication attempts. Promote social skills like encourage interaction with peers, teach turn and talking, practice eye contact when appropriate, use role playing activities. Manage repetitive behaviors like maintain and structured routine, prepare the child for change in advance, redirect inappropriate repetitive behaviors gently, reinforce positive behaviors. Manage sensory problems like reduce excessive noise, avoid overstimulation, identify and minimizing sensory triggers, provide a calm and predictable environment. Family education like teach parents, nature of SD, importance of early intervention, behavior management techniques, communication strategies, home training activities, need for regular follow-up. Safety, supervise the child appropriately, prevent wandering, remove hazardous objects, teach safety skills according to the child's developmental level. Rehabilitation like encourage school participation, promote vocational training when age appropriate, improve independence in daily activities, support community inclusion. Prevention, here is no proven methods to prevent ASD, but good antenatal care, early developmental screening, early diagnosis, early interventions, family education can improve outcomes. Prognosis, the prognosis depends on severity of symptoms, early diagnosis, early intervention, intellectual abilities, language development, family support. Many individuals with ASD improve significantly with appropriate interventions and supports. Thank you.